April 6, 1917, the United States declared war on Germany. Many ground troops had to be trained for fighting in France. It was also necessary to build a force to fight in the air. Not only were airplanes needed in large quantities, but men had to be trained to fly and maintain them. It wasn't long before hundreds of young flying cadets, wearing identifying white bands on their hats, began reporting to flying schools in the United States, Canada, and Europe. Ground school courses were designed to prepare the men for flight, aircraft construction, cockpit controls, control surfaces, armament, and the operation of machine guns. For men who were anxious to fly, it seemed as though the ground school classes would never end. But the day finally came when it was time to go up and apply what had been learned in ground school. The first American squadron to fly combat was the 103rd Aero Squadron, formed from the famous Lafayette Escadrille. They began combat flights as the 103rd in February of 1918. 2 months later, the United States began sending additional squadrons to the front. 2 fighter units, the 94th and 95th Aero Squadrons, flew obsolescent Nieuport 28s purchased from France. The 94th scored its first 2 victories over a relatively inactive sector near Toul, France on April 14, 1918.